guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in the past couple days on my vlogs, and thank you guys for the love. We're almost at 75,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay guys, let's get right into this video. So as you can see from the title of this video, this one is brought to you by Carol's daughter. They reached out to me and asked me to review this new line. It's called the Cactus Rose Water Collection, and it's only available at Ulta Beauty stores. So if you have fine, thin hair, kind of like I do, then you need to head over to Ulta Beauty and get yourself some Carol's daughter Cactus Rose Water products, okay? Let me get into the details of these products, okay? This new collection from Carol's daughter is called Cactus Rose Water. Comes with a lightweight conditioner and a volume spray. This collection has a blend of cactus flower extract, rose oil, and biotin. That blend alone is going to let you know that your hair is about to be shiny, healthy, full, and soft. Let's check out how my hair looked. Alright, let's get right into the collection. So I'm going to be inserting some pictures of my hair before and after using the product. I personally saw a really big difference, and I would love for you guys to share your feedback. If you guys try this product, share your feedback, because I want other people to know. Let me know what you did differently or anything like that, okay? So let's get right into the details of this actual product. Let's talk about rose extract, okay? So, rose oil or rose extract is a natural antiseptic, and it stimulates the hair. So, these products are geared for dry, flat, thin hair. So, this is going to stimulate your hair from the root all the way to the tip, and that's probably what made it look like super full. Okay, so let's get into the last thing, cactus flower extract. Cactus flower extract is a natural anti-inflammatory, and it has antioxidants. Excuse me. It has antioxidants. And what these things are going to do, it's pretty much going to help your hair retain its moisture, which is the #1 thing that we curly girls need. Moisture, 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 and more moisture. So if your hair is like mine, it's fine, it's a little dry, it's flat, try out these products. Let me know what you thought. I personally noticed that my hair was shinier, and it was softer, and it definitely got more volume. I normally have to use a diffuser right after I do my deep conditioning to set my curls and make sure they're full. And then after using the diffuser, I have to use an Afro pick, you know, just to pick the roots. Not with this collection, you guys. All I did was wash my hair with a simple clarifying shampoo. After I washed my hair, I took the lightweight conditioner and I applied that all over my hair from root to tip. And now whenever I condition my hair, I always detangle with the conditioner in my hair. And I just prefer to do that just so I have less breakage, less shedding, and it makes me feel more secure that my hair is, you know, it's still intact. And it's probably better for me, it's better than detangling on dry hair. So after I condition and detangle, then I rinse all of the conditioner out. I didn't try to leave none in there. I sprayed the volume spray all over my hair. You guys, oh my God. Have y'all ever smelled like, there's like rose water toners out here, and I think you can find it at Nordstrom's. This smells so pretty. It's a really refreshing scent. It's not overpowering. It's different from the normal like vanilla, coconut, shea butter smells that you find in the natural hair products. This one definitely smells, you know, fresh and clean, and I'm sure that goes right, you know, straight from the rose. So anyways, I sprayed that all over my hair, all over, you know, the ends and everything like that, and I just let my hair air dry. I did not diffuse. I picked like here and here. Those were like the only two parts that I picked, but overall my hair got the volume that I usually would get from diffusing just from using these products alone and letting it air dry. And normally for me, just letting my hair air dry, I'm gonna have flat looking hair. So you guys let me know your thoughts down below. Does it look fuller to you? Does it look shinier to you? I know for sure shiny is the one thing that I saw. I was really shocked. Like, to me, it looked like I put an oil, you know, to seal my ends, and I surely did not. My hair was gorgeous that day. I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. My name is Kirsty. Get to know me. I'm gonna be here for a while, okay guys? So make sure you're subscribed, you have your notification bell turned on so you never miss a video, and say that, you know, you need some Valentine's Day hair inspiration, go check out some of my previous hair videos so that way you are all right and ready for Valentine's, okay? I'm out, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Head on over to Ulta Beauty Supply so that way you can get yourself some of this Carol's Daughter Cactus Rose Water collection for yourself. And remember, it's only at Ulta Beauty and it's not anywhere else, so you want to get this before it's scooped up and you don't get it again, okay? I'm out. Y'all be blessed. Stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you.